Hi guys, today I want to show you some of the new features and interesting uses of Huawei Harmony OS 3 on the Mate 50 Pro. The first one is the satellite communication. Let's go outdoors and do a test. The Mate 50 Pro does not have a SIM card in it. First you need to open the built-in MeTime app. The first option on the homepage is satellite communication. Huawei provides some fixed templates for us to choose, perhaps to prevent users from using the satellite for communication other than emergency help. You cannot manually edit the text on this. You can send an emergency message to up to 4 contacts at once. When you click the send button, the phone will start searching for available sync satellites and then guide you to point the phone to the nearest one. Wait for a while and the message will be sent out. The whole process is still very fast. This is the information we received on another phone. You can see that the information not only has detailed latitude and longitude, but also contains a link that can be opened by the map app. When the location is shown on the map, we can see that it is very accurate. You may be concerned about the cost. It is not free as with similar services provided by Apple, but because it is still in beta, Huawei will give each participating user 30 free uses per month, and Huawei does not specify the cost of this feature when it is officially launched in the future. The second feature I want to show you is the low battery emergency mode. You can also call it super power saving mode. The previous Huawei phone would prompt you for 30 seconds before it ran out of power and then it would automatically shut down. But now the Mate 50 will prompt you for 30 seconds and then it will go into emergency mode. The remaining power in this mode can sustain 3 hours of standby or 10 minutes of voice calls, and if you are used to using electronic payments, this power is also enough to complete 4 times QR code scanning. And I have to say that this feature is actually very helpful in some emergency situations. Now I want to show you the SuperHub feature. This feature is at the top of the sidebar and you can think of it as a super clipboard. You can put selected images, text, documents, and even videos into SuperHub by long pressing them, and then drag out any content you need to use in other apps or transfer to other Harmony devices. You can also top and batch delete them. When you click on this option in the upper right corner, you can see that the text clipboard is also integrated here. The last feature I want to show you is the smart sensing. This feature is basically supported by phones that have been upgraded to Harmony OS 3. When the phone camera is facing a QR code, the system will automatically recognize it, and then you can jump to the associated action by tapping the back of the phone twice or clicking the pop-up window. I guess someone may ask how my smart sensing will help me when the cashier uses the POS to scan my payment code? Don't worry, the front camera also supports smart sensing, and now I'll show you a demo with this picture of the POS. You can see that Mate 50 Pro can recognize it first and open the payment code. This feature can make electronic payment much easier and faster. I must give it a good praise. Well, that's all I wanted to share with you today. So what do you think of these features on the Huawei Mate 50 Pro? Please leave your thoughts below the video. I'm Hugo from Lightning Studio. See you next time.